Make it your destiny to accomplish great things in your life. As of now, do not allow your past to dictate your future. Leave the past behind you and move on to do, have and become what you truly desire. Allow yourself to build your dreams and then immerse yourself in the pleasures of living your dreams. Go beyond your small achievements and invest in your life to accomplish many great things. From this moment on, choose not to let your past dictate your future. What is gone, forever. Now is the time to move on, to do and become what you want, to be the best in any area that you choose, so you may design your own destiny. Here are a few helpful suggestions that you may take on board, and below you will find a couple of simple tips that can quickly move you in the direction of manifesting your destiny to accomplish many great things in your life. To join ranks with the most successful people in the field of your choice, or merely to achieve your dreams quietly, for yourself, you will need to take the journey toward a better, more enlightened future, toward a more empowered and motivated you, toward a life that you will design and achieve. You will live your life as you want it. And you will become that person you have been dreaming of becoming. Invest in life, in your life. No more wavering dreams, staring out the window and wishing and hoping. No more sleepless nights worrying about your future as you only see where you are now. This time it is for real. What you are dreaming of will happen, and in abundance. From today, you will move forward in your life in a dramatic way. You will do what is required of you to accomplish your daily goals, big and small, and you will always expect to succeed at everything you do. Embrace your unlimited power and build a life of excellence. Success is your one and only option. Fill all of your days with accomplishments, no matter how small you may think they are. It is important, at this point, to realize that most successes stem from your ability to feel certain that you can set out to achieve what it is that you desire, to accomplish great things in your life. And for you to feel certain, you need to become confident. One of the principal prerequisites to achieving almost anything in life is confidence. Confidence is an indispensable requirement to your success and further development or betterment, be it for your personal or professional needs. Confidence is the doorway to success and fulfillment. With confidence you will have the courage, strength and motivation to tackle and overcome all life's setbacks and challenges. The great news is that confidence is a learned skill, and anyone can learn the skills to having awesome and unstoppable confidence. As promised, here are just a couple of confidence tips that I believe are easy to do and are extremely effective. By repeating the simple tips daily, they will retrain your thinking and become an automatic part of your new successful and confident habit. They will become your new way of life. Challenge your thoughts that have been holding you back and stretch your mind to raise your limits to unlimited heights. At the end of each day, put yourself into a confident and resourceful state of mind by jotting down in your diary or daily journal all of the day's achievements, no matter how small. Benefit: the mere act of writing them down reinforces the idea of success and confidence. It is extremely beneficial and motivating for you to feel the successes from deep within, so your mind acknowledges them as confident achievements. Just before going to bed, conceive and initiate your ideal day. Once you have gone through your diary and planned your next day, sit back and take a few minutes to imagine and visualize the entire day, from beginning to end. See it unfolding exactly how you would want it to be, in every situation. Feel the confident emotions that come from success, with the feeling that you have accomplished all that you wanted. Benefit: when you go to sleep, your unconscious mind will work all night on ways to bring about that which you have just visualized. Truly make it your destiny to accomplish many great things in your lifetime by adopting a vital ingredient to success, and that is confidence. With confidence you discard worry, hesitation, and fear. With confidence you rise above challenges and failures. With confidence you have unlimited motivation and unrelenting persistence. Do not underestimate the immense power of confidence. Go ahead, reap the rewards and accomplish many great things in your lifetime.